If you've never made Nigerian jollof rice before, don't worry. Today, I'll show you exactly how to make rich Nigerian jollof rice step by step. And this recipe is beginner friendly. We'll be using fresh tomatoes, red bell peppers, Scotch bonnet peppers, onions, tomato paste, chicken, long grain rice, salt, seasoning cubes, curry powder, thyme, garlic, ginger, stock, and cooking oil. First, wash your tomatoes, peppers, and onions thoroughly. Clean ingredients may seem like a small step, but they make a difference. Now, add your tomatoes, peppers, and onions into your blender and blend everything until smooth. This mixture will become the flavor base for our jollof rice. Next, let's prepare our chicken. Add curry powder, thyme, garlic, ginger, seasoning cubes, and a little salt. Mix everything properly so every piece of chicken is coated with flavor. Now, place a pan on medium heat and gently lower the chicken into hot oil. Listen to that sizzle. Fry until the chicken becomes beautifully golden brown, then set it aside. Now, pour some oil into your pot and allow it to heat up. Add your sliced onions and fry until they turn soft and golden. This step builds the very first layer of flavor in your pot. Don't skip it. Next, add your tomato paste directly into the pot with the onions. Fry them together for a few minutes. The onions and tomato paste cooking together creates a deeper, richer base that you'll taste in every bite. Now, pour in your blended pepper mixture. Stir well and let it fry properly. As it cooks, you'll notice the sauce becoming thicker, richer, and more flavorful. Add your seasoning cubes, curry, thyme, and stock.
Give it a taste and add salt only if needed.
Stir everything together and allow it to boil for a few minutes so all the flavors combine. Now,
wash your rice with water and a pinch of salt. Wash it gently and drain until the water runs completely clear. This ensures that your rice remains separate and prevents the dish from becoming mushy.
Add it into the sauce. Stir carefully so every grain gets coated in that rich pepper mixture. Cover the pot and cook on low heat until the rice becomes soft and fully cooked. This is where all the flavor comes together. And there you have it. Rich, smoky Nigerian jollof rice served with golden fried chicken. Motion Meals approved. See you in the next recipe.